Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our last video. If you're here for the first time, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about why the U.S. helped create the United Nations. Now let's test what you've learned. Was the United Nations created before World War II? No, the United Nations was created after World War II. Did the U.S. help create the United Nations? Yes, the U.S. played a key role in creating the UN. Was the United Nations formed in Paris, France? No, it was formed in San Francisco, United States. Did President Roosevelt coin the name United Nations? Yes, Roosevelt coined the term during World War II. Is the United States a permanent member of the UN Security Council? Yes, the U.S. is a permanent member. Did the U.S. want to use the UN to promote war? No, the goal was to promote peace and cooperation. Was the UN created to only serve the U.S.? No, it was created to serve all member nations. Did the U.S. support the UN because it wanted global peace? Yes, global peace and stability were key reasons. Does the UN work to protect human rights and provide aid? Yes, the UN focuses on human rights and humanitarian aid. Has the United States continued to be involved in the UN since 1945? Yes, the US has been active in the UN ever since its founding. Watch this video again to reinforce what you've learned, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you're always ready for the next exciting lesson in English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.